Hello, in this video I want to show you how to create schedules for ProfiCook Kettle. And to do this, first we'll need to download and pair our kettle, download the app and pair our kettle with that. A specific app, it's called Smart Things. Let me show you that quickly, Smart Life. So when you have that app paired with your kettle, you can check our previous video on how to do it if you like. And we'll be able to click on the timer right here, then add new schedule. You can set a different hour when it should begin to cook the water, and then enable notification that the water was cooked. Add the different nodes if you want, that's optional, and primarily change the mode. So you'll be able to change the Celsius in this case of the water that we want. And let's go with the coffee, 100 Celsius, and then we can click on done and save that schedule. Now on 10:58 it should begin cooking that water. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.